Hey, I'm Kevin at What We Thought, and I don't know if you saw, if you follow my Man Kitchen Recipes channel or not, but I just did some smoked chicken thighs on my pellet grill, and I specifically said on there that I would make all of these smoked chicken, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, so they're nice and smoky flavored. I do have a couple extra just in case I need a little bit more to fill up my trays. But so what I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to start the freeze drying process for these smoked boneless skinless chicken thighs. The first thing we got to do is get that freeze dryer started up. Okay, here's my small harvestright freeze dryer with the 4 trays, and all I'm going to do is start, because, well, I'll show you on the custom. Almost every recipe is negative 10 degrees on the freeze and the dry temp of 120. Almost every single one. I haven't seen one yet that has a variation. I have learned, though, that some of them I will have to add extra freeze time. On the app, it doesn't recommend any. But, yeah, we'll just let it go. We'll check it when it's getting close. If it needs more time, then we just add it. So for right now, we're just going to start. And it's going to take 15 minutes. And while that's starting up, we'll go shred the chicken. Okay, so I've got my trays with the parchment paper. This is pre-cut parchment paper. I can leave a link below if you guys are interested in getting some of these. And these are for the small trays. Anyway, I'm just going to start shredding this up and filling up my trays. They are cold, so if I need to, if they're not shredding well, I'll just zap them in the microwave. But I think they'll be okay. Now these are skinless and boneless. If I find any fat, just little pieces, that little bit's not going to matter. But if I find any bigger pieces of fat, I will take it off. I mean, we're not, like that right there is a piece of fat. I'm not keeping these for 25 years. So I will use this up within, I can't tell you right now, but I'm sure it won't last long. I will put a date on the box. But. So I'm just going to get this hand shredded, torn up in pieces. Okay, so I'm going to add one more of my, this one has skin and bone, so I'm going to take the skin off and the bone out. All right, there you go. So I didn't really shred it. It's kind of busted up into little pieces. That way, you know, I mean, if I want to do tacos, I can break them up a little more once they're freeze-dried, enchiladas, but they're chunky enough in case I want to put them in some sort of a soup or anything like that, or a stew. So, yeah, I can use this chicken for just about anything. Let's go see if that freeze dryer is ready, and we'll get these going. All right, I got them out here near the freeze dryer. It's just about ready. 10 seconds. I got to tell you, this chicken, man, this smoked chicken, you sure can smell it. It smells amazing. All right, load trays, close the drain valve. I think I'll close the drain valve first. And then we will load the trays. Now, I did not pre-freeze these, so you can if you want. I opted not to. I mean, it's going to freeze to negative 10. It'll just take a little bit longer. I mean, look at that. All right, seal it up. Press continue. There we go. It has started. Freeze-dried smoked chicken thighs. Okay, I'm going to end the batch. Confirm. And I have to open my drain valve All right, how do we do? Light as a feather. I would say that's pretty dry. Oh boy, tastes good too. Yeah, that's pretty dry. I think we're done. Smoked freeze-dried chicken. Kind of weird eating it dry, but boy, it tastes just like the chicken. Oh yeah, totally dry. I get these thicker pieces. Yep. Wow. All right. I need to go get these in, let them cool off a minute. Get them in some Mylar bags, mark them. And now I'm going to hit defrost. Keep the drain valve open, 2 hours. I'll go into my water bucket there. And I'll get to use that, the drained water in my garden. All right, there you go. That's my harvestright small freeze dryer, 4 trays. It is it's smaller than a dorm fridge, but and there's my freeze-dried smoked chicken. I mean, come on, freeze-dried smoked chicken. You know, I made this chicken specifically to freeze dry, and I don't have I didn't count how many chicken thighs I put on each tray, but I'm gonna put in each tray in a Mylar bag from Harvestright. They send you 50 of these Mylar bags when you in the accessory box when you order one of these things. So I'm going to use 4 of them up. There is a place to add the date and what it is on there. I'll write on there 1 bag, 1 tray. So I'll have 4 bags of chicken. I'll know there's this much, and it's crazy. This chicken is light as can be. I need to get me a new banner back there, or take it down when I'm doing What We Thought, because that's my cooking channel, Man Kitchen Recipes. But anyway, so this freeze-dried smoked chicken, I already took a bite, but I'll take another bite on camera for you to prove that I really ate it. Well, it's really weird. It's really dry in your mouth when you're chewing it. And then the moisture in your mouth actually rehydrates it. And it's really good. It's amazing. I can taste the smoky flavor from it. I just smoked these 2 days ago now. The seasoning that I used on it is the Mile High Barbecue guy on the cooking channel guys that I watch. He sent me some he makes his own rub and sauces, and they're really good. He sent me some rub called Chicken Up. It's kind of hard to see on there, but it's really, really good with chicken. I can leave a link below. Anyway, Chicken Up seasoning, smoked chicken, freeze-dried. And now that I have freeze-dried chicken, I have freeze-dried red chili sauce, I have freeze-dried mashed potatoes, and I've got a lot of freeze-dried fruit. But now I can actually do a meal. I might do it over at my Tortilla Takeover channel, another cooking channel that's not barbecue. But I have these ingredients to make some really good tacos or enchiladas or just about anything. And I think I'll do a cook over there with this freeze-dried stuff. So hope you hit the like and subscribe and follow my journey, because I'm a newbie at all of this, and it's all really super exciting right now. All right? Have a great day.